Hello, Namaste, and welcome to our channel, High Five India. This is Rahul Singh, and today I am here to talk about an amazing device called as e-reader. So, what is an e-reader? This is an e-reader, and it is called e-reader because it reads e-book. So, the question is, what is an e-book? In a layman's language, it is a digital book which you can download it from internet on your laptop, on your computer, on your mobile phone, or on your tablet and read it. However, if you want to enjoy the reading or you want to have altogether a paper-like reading experience, so you need to buy an e-reader. So e-reader is a device which reads digital books. This e-reader though looks like a tablet, but it is not a tablet at all because it has got a different feature compared to tablet. Tablet is something which is meant for entertainment, but this is specially designed for reading. You can adjust the text inside this. Okay, also you can find out a meaning of a particular word just by clicking on it, and a meaning will be automatically displayed on it. Not only just reading, just sort of entertainment. You can read lot of comic books inside it, graphic novels, as well as mangas. So when anybody uses this kind of device, what all they do for the environment? First of all, they save lot and lot of paper. Imagine there are so many books all over the globe are being printed just to read in the academics, in the schools, in the colleges. And imagine if all these books are being converted into e-books. So in a way, you have saved paper, you have saved electricity. The Prime Minister of India has come up with a plan of making a world's biggest or world's largest e-library. Yes, he will be converting all the books into e-books. Okay, and they could be of into different many languages like German, Dutch, Malayalam, English, Hindi, and all these books will be converted into ebook, and these ebooks will be floated on the internet, and anybody from any part of the world will be able to download books, and that's for free. This is a technology what I feel it is very nice, and if given a chance to this technology, or if the makers of this technology would decide to make it a huge thing, and kind of a revolution on the planet, so they can definitely do that. This device what I feel is just a seed. It is just a seed. It needs to be blown up into a tree. The world of communication or the world of phone has changed, but now it's time to change the world of learning. Let's think about it, give it a thought, and let us know. And this was all for now. Take care, lots of love. High Five India.